It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Friday, May 19th. I'm James Spann. Pretty quiet today. Showers hard to find, but rain chances will increase over the weekend, and next week will be much cooler. Check things out. That big trough in the western states that has produced a lot of wild weather in recent days, gradually moving east. The cold core is sitting over Colorado this afternoon. They're still buried in snow in the mountains there. You can see big convection in advance of the trough through parts of Texas up into the southern plains. But around here, pretty quiet. That was the radar at 2:30. Just a few isolated showers over parts of Sumter, Marengo, and Choctaw counties in southwest Alabama, and that's about it. So it looks like many places will be dry this evening and tonight. And with the lack of showers, pretty toasty today. Mostly upper 80s on the board. Birmingham 89, the hot spots, Montgomery, and the Shelby County Airport at 91. But it's very cold back in the western states, and we begin to feel some of that next week. In fact, we could be making a run at record lows in here by Thursday morning of next week. Up on the watch warning map, we've got flash flood watches for parts of the southern plains, a severe thunderstorm watch for parts of Ohio and some of the adjacent states, and this tornado watch for parts of Texas until 8 o'clock tonight. That includes Abilene and San Angelo. There's a risk of severe weather from Texas all the way up to Boston, basically, today. Some of the cities in the enhanced risk will include Dallas, Fort Worth, Wichita Falls. But around here, no severe weather expected. Tomorrow, risk of severe storms just west of here, from Texas up to the southern Great Lakes. That marginal risk clips the northwestern corner of the state, but again, organized severe weather here not expected, although we should see a marked increase in the number of storms tomorrow. And the same thing Sunday. We'll see a number of showers and storms around, but organized severe weather, probably not. Rain for the next 5 days. Rain amounts looking good here for a state that's still in drought in some places. This is suggesting rain amounts could exceed 3 inches in spots over the course of the next 7 days. This valid through Friday morning of next week. All right, model fans, here we go. Let's check it out. This is the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 1 o'clock local time. And the trough finally lifting out of the western states, and it's slowly beginning to fill. Down below that, the ridge weakens. We'll expect to see a number of showers and storms about. There's a surface low that's located to the northwest of St. Louis with a trailing cold front down to Dallas. This is the high-res NAM, valid tomorrow afternoon at 4 o'clock, and you can see a number of showers and storms around. They could be strong with gusty winds, maybe some small hail, but again, organized severe weather not likely. So if you'll be outside tomorrow, be aware of those afternoon storms. Sunday, the surface low is over the Great Lakes, the cold front down to Memphis, the air moist. We should see a number of showers and storms about during the day Sunday. Curiously, the high-resolution NAM does this. It brings in a band of organized storms early Sunday morning at 5 o'clock. This is 5 a.m. And then 4 o'clock Sunday afternoon, it's got us in a stable air mass, and there's nothing. For now, this seems to be an outlier. We'll maintain a good chance of occasional showers and storms through the day, but if by chance this were to be correct, it might be the bulk of the rain Sunday would be early in the day. We'll see a break Sunday afternoon. But again, that's not our forecast now. That's just an idea that's on the table, but that is an outlier. Monday, we'll forecast gradual clearing, noticeably cooler, the high dropping into the 70s, the high Monday showing at 77 off the latest GFS. Now, the day Tuesday looks dry. The high would be around 80. And then the next cold front comes in here Tuesday night with a chance of showers, maybe some thunder, severe weather not expected. And then look at the trough on Wednesday of next week. Wow. That's called knocking down a heat ridge. Down below that, we'll have clouds, maybe some light rain. We'll be in the 60s most of the day. Almost 20 degrees below average. These are the anomalies for Wednesday. The entire eastern half of the country way below average. Thursday, dry and pleasant. And Friday, a week from today, very dry and very pleasant. This is the end of the forecast period, Monday, May 29th. I do believe this is Memorial Day. Still got troughing over the eastern states, and if that's right, the air looks dry. We note some type of broad tropical low showing up over the Florida Straits, but we all know that that's probably bogus. Check the numbers coming off the GFS. Look at those numbers dropping next week. It's got a high Wednesday and Thursday only in the low 70s and lows in the mid 40s. Both Thursday and Friday morning, and if that verifies, we will see some new record lows around here. How about them apples? That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes on the blog. My next video will be posted here Monday morning at 7 o'clock. Brian Peters, the man that looks like Colonel Sanders, will have the videos tomorrow and Sunday. If you can't catch us this evening on the TV side, thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and God bless.